Hello. I am your monster friend.
Hello, monster.
Today we learn colors. This apple is red. Red.
Red.
This butterfly is blue. Blue. Now you say it. Blue. These leaves are green. Green.
Green.
This flower is yellow. Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow. Yellow.
This pumpkin is orange. Orange.
Fema orange. He said, Fee 50 frames Frefnir. Orange.
These grapes are purple. Purple.
Purple.
Say them with me. Red. Blue. Say them with me. Green. Yellow. Say them with me. Orange. Purple. Red. Blue. Green. Yellow. Orange. Purple. That was fun. You did very well. See you next time.